This list of 5 kitchen gadgets isn't ranked in any particular order, and each one has the potential to elevate your cooking experience. We'll explore how these tools can add fun, efficiency, and creativity to your culinary adventures. All links to the products mentioned here can be found in the description below. Number 1. Sous Vide Machine. Cooking with a sous vide machine is like having a personal chef at your fingertips. By precisely controlling temperature and time, you can achieve restaurant-quality results with minimal effort. The precision and consistency of sous vide cooking make it a joy to experiment with new recipes and techniques. It's a tool that empowers you to take culinary risks and discover new flavors. Number 2. Edible Markers. Let your creativity flow with edible markers. These food-safe pens allow you to personalize cookies, cakes, and other desserts with custom messages or designs. Whether you're writing names on cookies or creating intricate patterns on cakes, edible markers offer endless possibilities for fun and personalization. Number 3. Spiralizer. A spiralizer turns ordinary vegetables into extraordinary noodles. It's a simple yet versatile tool that allows you to create healthy and delicious alternatives to traditional pasta. Spiralizing vegetables is a fun and engaging way to encourage healthier eating habits and discover new flavors. It's a tool that makes cooking more enjoyable and satisfying. Number 4. Instant Pot. The Instant Pot is a modern-day kitchen workhorse. It's a multifunctional appliance that can be used for everything from pressure cooking to slow cooking. The versatility and efficiency of the Instant Pot make it a joy to use. It's a tool that simplifies your cooking process and allows you to spend more time enjoying your meals. Number 5. Air Fryer. An air fryer is a healthier alternative to traditional frying. It allows you to enjoy crispy, golden brown food with a fraction of the oil. The ease of use and versatility of the air fryer make it a fun and convenient way to cook. It's a tool that empowers you to create healthier versions of your favorite fried foods without sacrificing taste or texture. These 5 kitchen gadgets are just a glimpse of the many tools that can make cooking more fun and enjoyable. If you're looking to elevate your culinary experience and take your cooking to the next level, be sure to check out our next video, Top 5 Must-Have Kitchen Gadgets for Home Chefs.